So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing Chainsaw Man Volume 1 that I bought from Comics and Manga Shop. Yeah, as you can see over there, I bought it from Comics and Manga Shop BD. So I hope you like this video. This took a while to edit, like all of my videos. So please subscribe, like and share, because I'm really underrated. I only have like 100 subs. So please subscribe. And yeah, that's it. See you soon. So it's me again. Yeah, this is the Chainsaw Man volume that I bought from Comics and Manga Shop. Yeah, this is pretty good packaging for manga I bought from Bangladesh. So whatever, the volume's price was 1,117. So yeah, that's pretty low for manga in Bangladesh, because normally it goes for $6 to $8 in other countries. So yeah, that's unfortunate, but that's the truth. So if you wanna know how to buy mangas and shit, okay, I'm not gonna repeat that sentence anymore. So yeah, let's just get to unboxing. Here it is, Chainsaw Man Volume 1. Dude, this thing looks cool. I gotta show this to my mom. Okay, so done showing it to my mom, so now let's get back to like the reviewing angle. Okay, so back to the reviewing angle. So yeah, so here we have Chainsaw Man Volume 1, story by Tatsuki Fujimoto, Volume 1. Denji using his chainsaw, the Chainsaw Man logo, side, Sonen Jump, Tatsuki Fujimoto, Denji. The back looks amazing. It's amazing looking, isn't it? Like Denji, a poor young man who will do anything for money, even hunting down devils with his pet devil dog, Fujita. He's a simple man with simple dreams, drowning under a mountain of death, and his sad life gets turned upside down when he's betrayed by someone he trusts. Now with the power of a devil inside him, Denji becomes a whole new man, Chainsaw Man. Look how fresh it. Let me smell that. It smells like shit. Okay. Chainsaws what? Tatsuki Fujimoto Shonen Jump edition, manga edition. Talking about Tatsuki Fujimoto. So we have Denji. Okay. Dude, the art looks amazing. I hate that dude. I hate it. Here it is. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.